My name is Tanish.
My name is Finish.
My name is Adarsh.
My name is Adarsh.
Today we are going to present our project Food Tester, which tests cooked food under the theme of Atmani Bharat. Now I pass on to my friend Adarsh.
Problem. We observe that people from FSSAI will get health issues when they test food which is unhealthy, and public peoples will get health issues when they eat the food which is not approved by the FSSAI. Now I pass on to Kanish.
So, to prevent these health issues of people from FSSAI who test the food and of public people, we created a machine that tests food using sensors like gas sensor, color sensor, temperature sensor, ultrasonic sensor. This machine tells us if it is good to consume that food or not. It tells if there is any worm present in the food, any harmful gases present in the food, tells if there is Ajinomoto or any food color present in the food, etc. in the display. Now I pass on to my friend Vinish.
Of the model. First, we should keep the bowl of food here in the conveyor, and the conveyor will spin and it will come here. In the inside, there will be gas sensor, temperature sensor, and color sensor. The gas sensor will detect if there is any harmful gases inside the bowl of food. The color sensor will check if there is rotten parts of food in the bowl of food. And the temperature sensor will detect if this food is warm enough or cold enough to eat. And all the detectors will be shown in the display. And there is 3 LEDs, red LED, yellow LED, and green LED. If it shows red, it's not suitable to eat. If it shows yellow, it's moderate to eat. And if it shows green, it is healthy to eat. Now I pass on to my friend Adarsh.
Impact on society. The project of food testing machine under the theme of Atmani Bharat helps to prevent food poisoning and health issues for public people. This project helps to maintain cleanliness in schools and restaurants.
Thank you.